Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, I will be showing you a new way which you can be able to use to make free calls in any country or using any number. Guys, in this video today, I have an amazing and unique application for you that will be able to give you free airtime every day to be able to make calls. We have already tested this application and it is working perfectly. So I decided to bring this video to you, or I decided to bring this to be able to use to make free calls anywhere around the world. So guys, here without wasting any much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing today, just like we have said earlier, we have a new Android application. And guys, here we have to open our Play Store. I believe we all have Play Store on our mobile devices. So guys, we open our Play Store like this. And guys, I will be showing you the name of this application. And guys, here we have to click on this search for apps. And the name of this application I will be showing you is Free Call. The name of the application is Free Call. So guys, here we have to wait for it for just few seconds in order to load, so we can be able to see the application that we have today that will be able to enable us to make free calls anywhere we are around the world. So guys, here as you can see, this is the application that we have today, Free Calls. The name of the application is Free Call. And guys, from the reviews on this application, because this application is working perfectly, more than 5 million users have already installed this application, and children above 12 years can install this application. And then we have about 47,000 reviews. We have about 47,000 reviews on this application, and it is working perfectly. So guys, here we have to open this application. You have to first of all install, then we'll open this application like this. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of this particular application. It is a simple application. As you can see, in order to get more credit on this application, here you have to click on this credit. In order to gather more credit. So we click on it like this. So guys, as you can see, just like the way we have seen, we have our credit here, 2000. And guys, here you can be able to get more credit for yourself. And guys, you can be able to get 50 to 100 credit when you watch an ad. It is very, very simple. So for instance, I click on this ad like this, and then I have to wait for this ad to finish. You just have to wait for this ad to finish, and it is just 30-second ad. It is just 30-second advert. So once this advert finish, you're gonna get a massive credit added to your balance. So guys, as you can see, we are already at 10 seconds. Please, I request you once again that you subscribe, because we're gonna be bringing more tricks on this particular channel. Subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks. So guys, we have reward grant. So here we click on reward granted like this, so as we cancel it. So guys, as you can see, congratulations, you get 100 credits. So click on enjoy now, and you can add off more credit to yourself by doing the same thing. So guys, as you can see, this is our credit. And then we have more ways to get more credit. Tap to get more credit, so you can get 150 times. So guys, as you can see, you just have to click and it won't be popping up like this. Let's see how much you can be able to get. So guys, we have 33, and you can click again, just like spinning. So let's cancel this ad. So we'll click again like this to see how much we can get for ourselves again. So guys, as you can see, we have gotten 31 credit, and guys, as you can see, our credit is already been added. I will show you more ways to get credit. So we skip this ad again, and guys, we have set a number. You can be able to set a number for yourself and then get a verification code. So guys, as you can see, it says click the get code button and the verification code will be sent to your mobile phone by SMS. There is a delay in sending SMS and the verification code is valid for a long time, so you just have to be patient. And then we have check-ins again to get 500 to 1005 airtime. So guys, as you can see, get credit by signing in every day. You can decide to sign in to a particular site. For instance, here you click on sign in like this. So guys, as you can see, I've collected another 300 credit. I've collected another 300 credit and it is added. You can be able to make call with this particular application anywhere around the world. You can be able to make call with this particular application anywhere around you. So guys, we have collected my 300 airtime for today. So we go back like this, and then you can still watch an ad to get more credit. You can still watch an ad to get more credit. So let's wait for just a few seconds as this ads will finish instantly. So we have 100 credit added again. So guys, here, in order, if you want to make a call with this application, here you have to click on this call icon here, and then you click here. So we can be able, you have to change the country code depending on the person you want to call. So for instance, we are in Nigeria, so we'll search for Nigeria. We're gonna search for Nigeria. So guys, as you can see, just like the way I've said, this application support all countries. This particular application support all countries. So here we click on Nigeria like this. So here I will insert a number. Here I will insert a number. For instance, you have to make sure that you remove the first letter. So here we click on call like this, and here we have to click on dial. So guys, as you can see, I have to earn more credit in order to make this call. I have to earn more credit in order to make this call. So this is how you can be able to use this application. You just have to gather more credit, and you can be able to gather this credit in just 5 minutes. You can be able to gather the minimum credit in just 5 minutes. So guys, please, if you found this video to be helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to also share with your friends. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.